Hi there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can add a bank account in Odoo. So please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining because I will describe everything clearly so you can follow along. So this will help you to manage payments and financial transactions with Odoo efficiently. So first you will log into your Odoo account and then you will go to configuration, which is right here. Or by the way, you could also do it on the accounting app, so it really depends on you, but if you're gonna do it on the website app, you will just have to do the same thing as well. So go to configuration and then you will click either payment providers or bank accounts. So it would show as bank accounts if you're in on the accounting section. But if website, then just go ahead and click payment providers. And then now what you will have to do is just install your whatever bank it is that you're using, and then basically you will just have to enter your bank name, account number, IBAN, SWIFT, or something like that, or you will just have to simply install this stuffs, install this, and yeah, what you will do after that is just double check all the details or whatever it is that needs to be filled out. But yeah, if it is showed as like this, you'll just have to basically activate it to fully integrate it with your website. And yeah, that's basically just it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.